Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Net velocity 2. 1 or later, at least 2 GB free disk and 500 MB RAM. Once installed, open the app and create your account. Use an email you check, enable two-factor authentication, and verify immediately. Make sure to grant location and storage permissions so data sync and caching work smoothly. If you prefer privacy, toggle analytics off now, but know that leaving it on helps diagnostics and speeds up issue resolution later. Once done with basics, connect net velocity to your primary network. Choose Wi-Fi or wired and prefer 5 GHz for lower latency. Next, import or select a configuration preset. Pick Fast Sync, set the audio sample rate to 48K Hz if you handle media, and enable auto-update so you always have bug fixes. Then create profiles. Make work and home profiles and assign bandwidth caps plus co-S rules. This way, you control priority traffic and avoid surprises during peak usage. To finish, run the built-in diagnostics to measure latency, packet loss, and throughput so you validate performance. After verifying results, apply the final sync, save your profile, and schedule weekly backups to keep settings safe. Make sure to monitor the first 30 minutes of live traffic to catch anomalies. If something goes wrong, if sync stalls for more than 2 minutes, reset the network stack or clear the app cache. This resolves most transient issues without reinstalling the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.